Okay, so we're here in the JuanTax website. So their website URL is Juan dot tax. O, diba? So yun. So I'm going to introduce to you how to sign up for JuanTax fast file. But before that, what is JuanTax ba, diba? So they are a tax filing service, an online tax filing service, and they are the first BIR accredited tax platform in the Philippines. So that's why I 100% wholeheartedly trust them when I'm filing and paying my taxes online because they are compliant in everything. So pakita ko rin dito sa inyo yung testimonial na binigay ko sa kanila. Okay, so dito yung mga sample ng mga clients nila and what they have to say about JuanTax, and you can also check it out here. So andito ako, basahin ko lang sandali. So JuanTax helped me legitimize my freelancing business by helping me file and pay taxes from home. Easy, convenient, reliable, and outstanding support without breaking the bank. That's why I highly recommend everyone in our freelancing community to use JuanTax. Okay. Alright, so I've been using JuanTax since 2019, since I was registered in BIR, so I didn't want to keep on going to the BIR office. That's why I kind of like searched for an online service, and I was able to find JuanTax during that time in my research. Alright, so this is the main website actually. You can sign up for free. You can click sign up for free here on the upper right corner. All right, and that would be your main JuanTax account, but you can sign up then for fast file. So the main JuanTax account kasi, it's good for if you are a sole proprietor, or if you have a sole proprietorship business, a partnership, a corporation, or really kind of big companies. But if you are a freelancer or a professional like me, a self-employed individual professional, right? So that's where I've categorized myself in BIR as an online freelancer, is that you don't really need a lot of the features. It's really just gonna be a very direct and straightforward filing of your taxes, or filing of the forms every quarter. So that's why the fast file version of this, which I'll show you in a second, is more convenient for us. So you can click fast file here at the top in the menu options here, and I've already opened that. Okay, so when you click on that, you will see this one. Anyway, if you sign up for fast file, it's just gonna be in the same database as the main JuanTax system, or the main JuanTax account. So either you can sign up for the main website at Juan.tax, or you can just go for fast file because it's really easy to set it up based on my experience than the JuanTax main account. So I just when they launched the fast file service and accounts, I immediately signed up for it, and that's what I've been using ever since 2020. Alright, so once you're here in fast file, the website URL is juan.tax/fast-file. Okay, you can click sign up for free here, and it will open this tab. It'll open in a separate tab if you're using Google Chrome, and you just have to click on sign up here. Alright, so the good thing about JuanTax is that they do have chat support, very responsive chat support. As you can see, there is a chat bubble here on the lower right corner of your browser, and you can just click that if you need help. Okay, you can just chat with them here. You can also view their help materials, find your answers now, and then you can search for their help articles here. So their help articles, they do their best to keep it updated as well. Alright, so click sign up here. Since if you're new, you just have to sign up and fill out the information here. Okay, so I'm going to type in my information. So by the way, I already have an account with them, so I'm using one of their demo websites or staging areas for me to sign up. But you can just go ahead and sign up for real in the real sign up page. All right, so once you're done entering your first name, your last name, email address, and mobile number, you don't really have to enter your mobile number since it's not a required field here. But just go ahead and enter that in case JuanTax needs to contact you about any problems or whatever. And then hit next. Okay, and what is your organization classification? Okay, so if you are a self-employed individual professional like me, an online freelancer, then you can just click on individual. Okay, so as you can see, when you hover over it, there are options here, or they have suggestions on who is categorized as an individual, right? So there you see self-employed freelancers, professionals, sole proprietors, mixed income earners, and whatnot. So you can just click individual. If you are a non-individual, these are the corporations or partnerships. They can also use JuanTax fast file. So I just click on individual here, and then I click next. Okay, for the trade name, if you have a trade name that is a DTI name, all right, so if you signed up for DTI before you registered in BIR and you used that DTI business name, when you declared it in BIR as your trade name, then you can put it here. Otherwise, your trade name, if you didn't sign up for a DTI business name and didn't use it in your BIR registration, then this will just be your name, right? So fill out this information. Once you're done filling out your organization information, just click next. Right, and then enter your address here, your organization address. So if it has a physical location, enter it here. If it's a home office or it's a residence address, just enter it here as well. All right, after you filled out your organization address, just go ahead and click next. And then you have to enter your taxpayer identification number. So this will be your TIN. And enter your revenue district office as well. So this is a drop down, and you can just select your corresponding revenue district office. If you don't know it, it's listed in your BIR registration, or you can just search for it online as to where you are located and what RDO or revenue district office covers that area. All right, once you're done entering your TIN and RDO, just click next. Okay, make sure for the TIN that you fill it out completely. Okay, and usually there would be 3 zeros at the end. So let's try that. And lastly, you'll set up your password. So type in your nominated password and then retype it, and then hit or check the box here. I read and accept the terms of use and privacy policy, and then hit next. Okay, so here is the confirmation message. So great, you've successfully signed up for JuanTax Fast File. We've sent you a link to your email address. Please check your inbox and click the link we provided to confirm your email address. And let's go back to login. We're now back to the login screen of JuanTax Fast File. And once you have confirmed your email address, okay, you have to make sure to click the confirmation link or button in the confirmation email that JuanTax sent you. You can go back to the login screen and then enter your email address and password. Okay, so once you've entered your email address and password, just click log me in, and you will be logged in to your JuanTax Fast File account. All right, so here you can see your organization. Okay, so this is a sample of your organization, and on the upper right corner here, you can click the gear icon to see some of your settings and to familiarize yourself with the JuanTax environment or JuanTax Fast File environment. So click user settings, and it'll show your information there. Okay, you can also fill out the information there as well. And let's go to this buy credits. So for JuanTax Fast File, for you to be able to file a form with them, is that you have to pay first. Okay, so the price of each return or like a form is around 100 pesos, right? So that's the only time where you will be making the payment. So note that The credits here are not for tax payments and is used as a processing fee to generate and file your tax returns to the BIR. So this is like the service fee of JuanTax. So it's a pay-as-you-go service, okay, for JuanTax Fast File. All right, normally I would only pay 100 pesos if I'm filing for a quarterly income tax return, which is the 1701Q. And if I will also be filing for the annual income tax return, 1701A, that's also 100 pesos. And if I'm going to be renewing my registration as well, which is the payment form 0605, to file that is only 100 pesos as well. So you kind of like have to top up or cash in or, you know, load first your JuanTax Fast File account, okay? And it's only, again, 100 pesos per form, okay? So you can check it out here if you are going to be buying more tax return credit. So you can just try at 100 pesos first per return, okay? And you can just click next here. And your payment method, you can select if it's PayMaya, if it's a credit card, or if it's also a Union Bank account. Let's go ahead and check out PayMaya. So let's select PayMaya and then click proceed to checkout. Okay, so it'll open in a new tab, and there is no additional fee, so it's only really just 100. All right, so if you don't complete that, or if you just exit it out, the page just refreshes, and you can just go back to the buy credits page. You can also choose credit card and save the credit card for future use, or you can also choose the Union Bank. So I can't complete the payment here because this is like a demo staging area of JuanTax Fast File, all right? But you can go ahead and try it, and once your credit has been processed or you were able to cash in, you're able to top up or load your JuanTax Fast File account, you will see the remaining credits here on the upper right corner, okay? And you can also check credit usage. Okay, so it will also, you know, show you the credit usage, or how your credit was used when you're filing for the specific form or whatnot. Okay, and that is how you sign up for a JuanTax Fast File account online. Alright, and that's it for this video, guys. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and click the bell button to get notified when I release new videos. Catch you later. Bye!